Kinagigiliwan at kinababaliwan natin mga artista, the star-studded cast writer and director of Chasing in the Wild.
First in our amazing lineup is an exceptional Wattpad author with multiple Wattpad hits and top-selling published books. Best known as For Rooming, we have here the writer of the University series who also worked as a creative consultant for The Rain in España and Safe Skies Archer, and this year she's also working on Chasing in the Wild. Let us all welcome Guay Saludes! Oh my gosh, nakikita ko siya kanina sa backstage. Akala ko part ka ng cast. Mayrani! Hello!
Hi everyone! I hope you guys are excited and ready sa mga nakahanda for today.
Of course, it is a pleasure to meet the creative mind behind the University series. So ngayon, kwento mo naman sa amin, ano ba ang dapat abangan sa tambalang High Gab as LV, and what can you say about their chemistry sa nakita mo so far?
So far, their chemistry is really good, especially sa look test. Kasi nandun ako, I was watching them. And pati talaga akong kinikilig kapag nakikita ko sila. I took so many pictures and videos of them. Can't wait to share them.
Ang ganda ng writer natin. Thank you so much, Guay!
Ultra-talented director natin, syempre hindi. This well-rounded director and producer is best known for his acclaimed works, Fractured, Edward, Kiko Boxingero, at Eyeball. Please welcome Direk Doc Nazareno!
Hi, good afternoon po sa inyo lahat.
Stay here sa middle para we can chat with you a little bit.
Everybody, Direk Doc, thank you so much. Alright, so Direk, ano yung mga rason bakit kailangan nilang mag-stay tuned dito sa panibago nating aabangan sa Vivo One, which is Chasing in the Wild? We'd love to know.
Itong Chasing in the Wild, ito yung series na hindi lang magpapakilig sa atin, magpapaiyak, may inis tayo, magmamature din tayo with the character. So, ito yung series na masusuibat, lahat ng feelings mararamdaman natin. So, it's okay.
Two dynamic and prominent artists who will truly play significant roles dito sa Chasing in the Wild. First up, known for his works in Team A, Hello Universe, and Over the Bakod, we have the one and only Anjo Eliana. Gagampanan niya ang papel ni Kuya Rowell. And we also have another artist known for her works in Marita, Road Trip, and Pasajero, a short film from Viva Films, which is going to be shown later this year. We have Yumi Garcia, Ellie's social bestie, Aida. All right.
Yes, let's give them a round of applause. Hello, Kuya Rowell, and hello, Aida. May mic tayo dito. You may use... Yan, patingin natin ang ating audience. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Rowell, kumusta po yung process, getting to know some of these actors na maaaring unang beses nyo pong makakatrabaho? And for Yumi, marami nagtatanong kumusta naman yung first meeting nyo with Hyacinth and how you two are getting along.
Well, first, I only had two tapings or shootings and parehong one sequence lang. Although, sa set, talagang sinasabi nila, inaabangan na daw kung sino si Kuya Rowell. In fact, tinigtok ko, merong mga 300,000 views. Hinuhulaan kung sino si Kuya Rowell. Kaya sabi ko, maraming nag-aabang dito sa role na to. Bigla akong kinabahan kasi baka sana siyempre expectations nila sana magampanan ko kung sino man si Kuya Rowell.
First, kita po namin ni Haya. Nag-connect po kami agad. Parang ang tagal na namin magkakilala. Kasi sa workshop po yun eh. Parang ang dami namin similarities, ang dami namin parehas ng gusto. Kanya, gusto namin ng food, like we love food. And, ayun, we love shopping din. So parang medyo ano din sa character.
Bilis nila nagkasundo.
Yeah.
Kindred spirits. Oh.
Totoo po.
Our couple, known as Shakira, lead singer and the reigning Espana at Safe Skies Archer, pumuhay na ang kilig sa ating sistema, playing the roles of our sweet but brave Kiara and Ellie's protective brother Sean. Let us welcome Nicolo Emilio and Jairus Aquino. Jairus, I think we're there. Taray naman ng Shakira. So ano, you move like Shakira there. Sumayaw.
Wow.
Hello. Okay. So Shakira, kwentuhan ninyo kami ano ang dapat abangan sa inyo. And of course, nasa third installment na tayo ng libro. So nervous ba kayo na sa inyo na yung susunod? Or how do you feel?
Grabe, I'm just very excited for Gab and Haya. Excited na ba kayo makita yung dalawa? Yes, ako naman. And mas excited din ako kasi lalabas na often, of course, si Sean. So, mas makikilala din natin lahat.
Yeah, nakabahan ako. Hindi, pero sobrang excited ako syempre for Gab and Haya. Alam ba, sa akin pinag-uusapan ni Gab to palagi, pero syempre sabi ko, kaya na yan, and you know, sabi ko, make me proud. What make me proud? Tatay. Pero yun, happy ako for them and very excited na ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung pinaghirapan namin at pinaghihirapan namin as of the moment for chasing in the one. Kasi marami pa kami nanda para sa inyo, di ba?
Yes.
Expensive socialera girly ng Univercala. And the nation's favorite, Tita Nina. We get to meet her in the flesh. Eto na. We get to meet her in person now. Please, everybody, welcome Aubrey Garaan.
Yes, go. Stand anywhere you like. Go.
Hi, good afternoon. And thank you po sa pagpunta.
What can we expect from your character dito sa pangatlong installment ng University series? I'm sure a lot of us want to know and can't wait.
I think I-look forward nila dito sa si Sam, sa Sita Ina, yung pagiging owner niya ng club. And of course, yung pagiging supportive niya pa rin kina Sally and Nicholas.
Napakagandang flight attendant na sinamahan tayo sa masaganang pagipad with her Captain Juarez kung saan pinatunayan nilang love is in the air, playing the role of her fierce Yana from the very successful sequel series Safe Skies Archer. Let us all welcome Krisha Viajes! Dito tayo sa middle. Of course, bigyan ng solo. Of course, Jerome Ponce. Jerome sends his apologies. Obviously, he'd love to be here. But maybe next time, sasamahan niya tayo ulit. But for now, we have Krisha. So, Krisha, as usual, ano dapat ang abangan ng Krish Rome fans dito sa Chasing in the Wild?
Masaganang penchay. Masagana? Yun.
I like
So happy. Sobrang saya na marami ako nakikilala na mga nag-support sa amin and also mga bagong opportunities na dumarating sa amin. So, and nadagdagan na naman kami. So, mas malaki na yung cast, mas masaya na sa set, and mas maraming kulit. Ganon. So, yun. Excited ako for Chasing in the Wild.
In Espana and Safe Skies Archer, the first two installments in the University series. Everybody, give a big hand to Bea Bignete!
Hello po! Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa oras nyo. I know that this week has been a very challenging one for the whole country and a very rainy one for the whole country. So maraming salamat po and I hope you're all safe. Maraming salamat po sa oras nyo. Ayan, Chasing in the Wild, malapit na po. Only on Viva One.
Sa ating next couple, grabe ba naman ang pagpapaulan na ng kilig? Parang halos lahat ay hindi makaahon. Best known as Lucal from the Reign in Espana. Sasamahan ulit tayo ngayon ni Architect Valeria and Attorney Martinez. A round of applause for Heaven Peralejo as Luna and Marco Gallo. Welcome, Marvin! Bigyan natin sila ng mic. Here you go, guys. Yan. Welcome!
best friends.
Yan. So, kwentuhan mo kami kung ano ang i-expect natin at anong ine-expect nyo sa love story ng Chasing in the Wild. Minahay ka.
Feeling ko gusto ko magkatuluyan sila.
At saka syempre, kasi diba yung character ni Gab, si Selvi, diba na heartbroken sa'yo? Heaven.
Yes.
Oh, so paano siya dito sa Chasing in the Wild?
Ibang Gab yung makikita nyo dito eh. Ibang Selvi and ibang Haya. Alam ko na binibigay nila lagi yung 100% nila. And sobrang excited sila for this project. Yun ang alam ko. At alam ko gagalingan nila. So, excited to watch.
There's someone new to the Univercada for today. Alam niyo ba yun? Hebat! Okay, gising pa. Recently joining the gang. He will play a well-known musician at artista. Ito guys, madalas best friend ni Via, madalas best friend ni Selvi. Uy, pinag-aagawan at friendly pa. We have our golden boy, Arkin. He will be played by our newest Univercada, Mr. Wilbert Ross.
Ay, ang pogi naman nun.
Mr. Wilbert Ross. Right this way, please.
Actually, nag-start na kami mag-shoot. Okay naman. Okay naman yung chemistry namin ni... Ba't tinatawanan nila ako? Di okay naman yung chemistry namin ni Gab sa ginagawa kasi magkaibigan na kami. So, medyo magaan lang so far.
Okay.
So they will be the main stars of the third installment of the University Series. The basketball team captain and the cheerleader are here to win our hearts and each other's. Playing as Sevi Camero and Elise Ledesma. Let's all give a round of applause for Hyacinth Caliado and Gab Lagman.
Hi everyone! Oh my God!
Hello everyone. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa bigay ng time nito para sa amin.
It really means a lot that there are so many people here coming to support us and looking forward to being here today and for the show. Thank you.